Hola, Señora Vaz here with instructions for today. Report your attendance here, please. And for your actividad inicial warm-up, you're going to open this photo and follow the directions. Let's go to the photo. In the photo, there are two questions. The first question is asking you, ¿qué día de la semana es hoy? So that question means what day of the week is today? And then the second question says, ¿qué fecha es hoy? So that is about the date. So you're going to tell me what the day and the month. So in the first one, the day of the week, and the second one, the day and the month. You answer those two questions in Spanish. In Spanish. Right here in the comments. So that's all you have to do for your warm-up. You will find this video here, and then you're going to take a quiz on classroom items, calendar, and dates. Let's take a quick look at the quiz. As usual, you're going to write your name, you're going to select your class, and it says type the letter of the picture that best matches each word. Use capitals and no spaces. So you're going to look here and you're going to find this. In these 8 pictures, among these 8 pictures, you're going to find this one. And you get the letter right here, and then you just type the letter, whatever letter it is. It has to be a capital, just the letter, no periods, no spaces, nothing else. And then you answer like that. Well, let's say you're going to answer capital letters, and that's what you're doing. I don't think I need to answer all there because, yep, it's only one page. Okay, let's see the second part. Match the day of the week with its Spanish counterpart. So you have the day of the week here, and I put the days in Spanish. You got 5 of this and 5 of this, where you are going to select the, how you say this day in Spanish. Okay. The last part says write the English equivalent of the following dates. Use the format MMDD /. For example, if I give you this 3 de junio, that like I'm giving you dates here. So I give you el 3 de junio, you're going to say that is the 06, that is the month, junio, June, and then the 03, that is the day. That is the 3rd day of the month. Don't add periods and avoid extra spaces once again. So you just need to write the number, slash, and then the number. And that's it. So that's how you are answering these questions. The number, slash, the number, and no more spaces, nothing. You go to the next one. All right? So that's it. That's all you're doing today. Your warm-up and your quiz. That's all that you had to complete for today. And I'll see you next class. Adios.